In a dramatic escalation of tensions between India and Pakistan, the Pakistan Senate on Friday passed a strongly worded resolution rejecting India's allegations linking Islamabad to the recent deadly terror attack in Kashmir's Pahalgam. The attack, which occurred on Tuesday, claimed the lives of 26 people, most of them tourists. The Resistance Front, or TRF, a known proxy of the banned Pakistan based terror group Lakshar e Taiba, has claimed responsibility. Despite this, Pakistan's upper house of parliament came together across party lines to condemn what it called India's frivolous and baseless attempts to associate Pakistan with the attack. The resolution, moved by Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, stated that Pakistan remains fully capable and prepared to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity against any aggression, including what it described as water terrorism or military provocation. The text of the resolution not only rejected the alleged link to the Pahalgam attack, but also took aim at what it described as a malafide campaign by the Indian government to malign Pakistan. The Senate accused India of exploiting the issue of terrorism for narrow political gains and condemned New Delhi's decision to suspend the Indus Waters Treaty, calling the move an act of war. The resolution further claimed that killing innocent civilians went against the values upheld by Pakistan, reiterating the country's position that it had no role in the Pahalgam incident. Addressing the Senate, Deputy Prime Minister informed members that Pakistan's Foreign Office had already briefed diplomats from 26 countries on the situation. He added that the armed forces were fully prepared to respond to what he termed any Indian misadventure, asserting that any such provocation would be met with a response similar to that in the past. The resolution follows Thursday's high level National Security Committee meeting chaired by top civilian and military leaders in Islamabad. In that meeting, Pakistan announced a slew of retaliatory measures, putting the Shimla Agreement and other bilateral accords on hold, suspending all trade with India, and closing its airspace to Indian airlines. The Pakistani government also urged New Delhi to stop its reflexive blame game and what it described as staged, managed exploitation of incidents like the Pahalgam terror attack to serve a domestic political agenda. India, meanwhile, announced a series of countermeasures on Wednesday in response to the attack, further deepening the diplomatic standoff. With both sides digging in and key agreements now in suspension, the region faces a fresh wave of uncertainty. Stay tuned for more updates.